In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page break in SurveyMonkey. This is a simple yet powerful tool to improve your survey's organization and make it easier for respondents to navigate. So let's get started with a few easy steps. First, let's head over to SurveyMonkey by opening your web browser and entering the website URL. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it and you'll be taken to the login page. Here you have the option to sign in with your email and password, but if you prefer added convenience, you can choose to log in using your Google account. Simply click on the Google icon and you'll be prompted to select the Google account you want to use. Make your selection and proceed. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the SurveyMonkey design interface. This is where you'll be crafting and editing your surveys. Look for the option that says Create or Design on the dashboard and click on it. Once inside the design area, you'll see various options to build your survey. Your next step is to click on the Build tab. This tab is your gateway to customizing your survey to better fit your needs or those of your respondents. Next, to add a page break, scroll down until you find the section or the option labeled page break. The method to add a page break is simple and intuitive. You'll be dragging and dropping elements, a feature that SurveyMonkey smartly offers. Click and hold the page break element with your mouse or trackpad, then drag it into your survey where you'd like to insert the break. Release your hold and just like that, a page break is added. The final touch to ensuring everything looks good before you publish your survey is to preview it. SurveyMonkey provides a handy preview survey button that allows you to see what your respondents will experience. Click on this button, usually found on the top right of the survey design page, and walk through your survey. As you preview, pay special attention to the new page breaks to see how they divide your survey into more manageable sections. It's an excellent way to ensure the flow of your survey is up to your standards. And there you have it. You've successfully added a page break to your SurveyMonkey questionnaire. Don't forget to save your changes, ensuring that all your hard work is not lost. Incorporating page breaks in your surveys can enhance the user experience significantly by making it easier to digest and answer your questions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy surveying!